Today we're going to have a go at making the metal candle holder. It has two parabolas, one at the top and one at the bottom. We're given the baselines for these. The top line is there, the bottom line is here. We're going to construct the rectangles needed to draw these. For the base one, we measure up 80 millimeters. Use the given baseline and draw the rectangle. For the top one, again working from the given baseline, measure down 25 and draw the rectangle needed for the top parabola. Next, we need to divide these up. So 25 millimeters at the side divided by 5 gives you spacing of 5 millimeters. 50 millimeters at the top, divide that by 5 gives you 10 millimeters at the top. Add in the measurements. I've already measured these. Draw the vertical lines parallel to the center line. Remember, they're always parallel to the center line. And from the vertex, which in this case is at the bottom, join to the sides. They're really close together, so you need to be accurate with these. Find your points. So again, it's going to be first line and first line, working from the bottom up. Second line and second line, third line, fourth line, and the top corner. You can draw your curve at this stage. To draw the second half of the curve, you can do the exact same, or what I like to do is copy things over. So again, do your 10 millimeter divisions. Draw your vertical lines. And then bring the first point from the right hand side of the parabola over to the left. Same with the second point, third point, and fourth point. You can complete your curve. The bottom parabola is a bit different. So the measurements are 80 at the side. And if we divide that by 5, we get spacing of 16 millimeters. The bottom is 35, and again, if we divide that by 5, we get 5 millimeters. Mark off your measurements on the side and on the base. Remember, you need to have the same number of equal divisions on both the top and at the side. Draw your vertical lines. Again, these are parallel to the central axis. And from your vertex, you join to the sides. The vertex of this parabola is at the top. Pick out your points. First line with first line, second line with second line, third line with third line, fourth line with fourth line, and the bottom corner. Again, you can draw your curve at this stage. You can do the same thing to get the other half, or what I like to do is copy it across. So again, have your 10 millimeter divisions at the bottom. Draw your parallel lines, your vertical lines that are parallel to the central axis, and then bring your points across. So you can bring your bottom point over, third point across, second point, and your first point. Complete the curve. Next, we're going to complete the candle holder. At the base, we can measure out 15 millimeters each side. And at the top, we can add the candle. So we're going to measure up 10 and measure out 10 each side, giving a total of 20. To draw the legs of the candle holder, go from the very top corner down to the very bottom corner. You don't need all of this line, so draw it lightly to begin with, and then heavy in the part that you need. Do the same on the other side. And there's our candle holder.